How to enable privacy display for specific apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we scroll down and tap on display. From here, scroll down and tap on privacy display. Now leave the turn on privacy display to the off position. Don't turn it on, because if you turn on, it will apply to all the apps. So instead, go down and tap on conditions for turning on. Okay, so tap on that toggle button, then tap on the left hand side panel, then tap on apps. And from here, we scroll down and select the apps that you want to apply. For example, I'm going to apply to Chrome, Facebook, say messages and messenger, or even my files. Okay, so if I open up my files, you can see any other apps that I open up, there is no privacy display turning on. The screen does not go dark. I can view them from the side. If I open up the text messages, you can see here if I turn to the side, the display will go dark. So the privacy display will automatically apply to those selected apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.